Hi everyone, welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melanie, and if you are a returning crew, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. So you guys, for today's video, I have something fun for us to try. I'm gonna try to use an eyelid tape to even out my eyelid. I will talk about that more here in a minute, but if you have monolids, if you have hooded lids, if you have uneven eyelids, then this is something that might interest you. And if you don't have none of the things that I mentioned about the lids, then stay anyways, because I'm sure you know somebody who does. So you guys, using eyelid tape is very popular in Asia. A lot of Asian people don't have the crease on their lids, so they use a tape to create a crease. And people like me that have hooded lids and uneven eyelids, then this is something that I'm very interested in. I tried this a long time ago. I seen Michelle on try this on her channel. I watched her video and she made it look so easy, but I ordered it, I tried it, and I just couldn't get it. It didn't do it as well as hers did. You know, if you are like me who likes to explore certain looks, or you want to try different looks, especially with wing liner, then this is something that I'm definitely curious on trying. I'm only going to be using tape on one eye, which is this one right here. If you guys can see, this one folds lower than this one, so I have more play area on this lid right here. I'm sure I mentioned that on my videos before, but this one right here is really low, so it's really difficult for me to do a wing liner. So what I want to do is use the tape to just bring my fold higher, so it'll even out with this one. It doesn't matter how nice my eyeshadows, it just bothers me because I know that I have it, that this one right here just folds so much lower than this one, and I think it just takes away with the look. There's instructions on the back of the bag that it came with, but it is not in English, but there is a picture, so we'll just go with that. So if you guys want to see if we can even out our lid with the eyelid tape, and if applying makeup on top of it will make it really noticeable, then just keep on watching. So you guys, this is the tape that I'm talking about. It comes in this little container. It also comes with this scissors right here. It's very dull scissors because you have to cut the excess of the tape on your lid, so it has to be something that is dull and that will not cut you and poke your eyeballs out. And it also comes with this little gadget right here. It's just to press the tape together. You guys will see that in a minute. So this thing is very cheap. I will link everything in the description below if you are interested on purchasing this. I got this on Amazon. This is what it looks like. This is individual tapes right here, so I have plenty to try it with. I have a lot of room for mistake. So this is an individual tape. This is double-sided tape. That just means that both sides of the tapes are sticky. First thing that we need to do, it says here, is make sure that our lid is clean and there is no residue. So I'm just taking a Q-tip and we are just gonna clean one side, because I'm only applying it to this side right here, because like I said, this is the lid that have a lower fold. I just want to show you that my lid before, so we can do like a little before and after. So this is what it looks like, uneven. Can you guys tell? I haven't tried this kind yet. I've tried a different one. I will put it right here if I can find it, but those one are kind of, I don't know, maybe I just gave up too easy. So I have to look forward, and I can tell that this one has to be about right there. Using this thing, by the way, doesn't hurt, you guys. I know it looks cringy when I'm trying to put in my lid, but it doesn't hurt at all. But just be careful anyways. So I have to put the tape right here, so for this to fold up, and then we'll have a new crease right here that would align to that one. That's my goal anyways. Tape number one, let's see how this one goes. So this is what it looks like, and then you have to pull it to reveal the double-sided tape. So I'm sorry if I'm looking down. Again, my mirror is right here. So as soon as you reveal the tape, you will put it against where you want to put your tape. I'm sorry, I can't talk and show you guys, so I'm just gonna show you. you want to follow your crease. So maybe right there. I don't know, we'll try it. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is take our very dull scissors, you guys, and carefully cut the excess. Okay, so this little guy right here is what's gonna help us press our lids together to make a new crease. So I'm just gonna press this together like this, and hopefully I put it on the right area. I knew we were gonna have problems on the corner because that kind of sticks out. I'm telling you guys, it doesn't hurt when you poke your lid like this. One thing I don't like that I'm seeing is like an extra fold right here, so I probably should have put the tape right here so it doesn't look like we have like so many folds on our lid. And also this end right here, I can already tell that as soon as we put our primer, concealer, whatever, or even shadows, this thing right here will be highlighted. So you guys, I think that's pretty good, but I just don't like that little fold of skin right there, so I'm gonna take it off and apply another one. So that'll be our tape number 2. I think I placed it right, I just don't like that extra fold and this little corner right here, so I'm just trying to peel it off. So it comes off really easy. We are gonna do this again, make sure there is no adhesive right there. So we are gonna pull this like this, and where did I place it earlier? So you guys, I can still see the fold right there, but look how even my lids are. It's crazy. So you guys, that tape is in there. I was gonna try another tape just to get rid of this fold right here. I don't know if I can, but it's in there, and I think it's in there pretty good, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. So I'm sorry if that little thing bothers you, but you guys, you can tell that it even out of my lid. This is amazing, you guys. I think the test for me is applying makeup on top of that and see if it magnifies and it, you know, it shows the tape, because we, of course, we don't want that. I mean, of course, if you're like really close to me, you can tell that there's something going on with my lid. So let's go ahead and do a quick look on the eyes to see, you know, just to see if we can apply makeup on the tape. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Melissa Michelle palette. This is what it looks like inside. She included everything that you'll need. Blush, highlights, she even included a liquid lipstick, and of course, you know, the go-to shades that we love. So let's go ahead and prime our lids. So for me, I use a concealer. This is what I'm worried about with the tape, because I think, you know, when you apply the products on your lid, that's maybe that would take away the tape or something, I don't know. So let's go ahead and try. So I'm just taking my paint pot. I would use a drier concealer for my lid, just because I think if you use a more creamier one, then it would definitely sink into the tape and it will probably take off the tape, so we don't want that. So I am just gonna try to conceal around it. Far so good. I am not applying a heavily concealer, just because it probably will take off the tape. To set my lid, I am gonna take Weezy, this one right here. So far so good. It's highlighting the tape on the corner right here, and a little bit right here, but nothing cray. Now let's do our usual matte shadows on the crease. I'm gonna take the blush. This is Mahal. I will put that on the crease. And then let's go ahead and go darker to really see if, you know, if we can get away with using a darker shade with the tape. So I'm gonna take Bing Bing right here, and we're gonna do the same thing. Put it on the crease, add a V. And now let's add another dark color. So we're going to take Harley, this one right here. We will just deepen up our new crease. I am adding shadows to where the tape is. And it's holding up pretty well. So I'm going to take this shade right here. This is from Hikari Cosmetics. This is Envy. So let's go ahead and see. I'm just tapping it. So I'm layering it carefully. It's going on top of that tape pretty well. So you guys, I changed my mind. I didn't like this shade on its own, so I just put, this is from NYX. This is Jade or Jaded. This one right here, I think it layered pretty good. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty on its own. So now I'm gonna take that dark color that we use on the outer corner, and we're just gonna blend that color. So you guys, what do you think? Do you think that I can get away with it? I'm staring at you guys so you can let me know, because it's definitely better when you are looking forward, so it's folding and it's hiding the tape. So let me know if I can get away with it, especially using a whole bunch of shadows on top of that. Obviously when I look down, you can probably tell that there is a tape. Please let me know in the comment section. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna apply some falsies, do my lower lash line, and we'll talk more about this eyelid tape. So you guys, this is the lid with the tape and with lashes on. I think it hit it pretty good, but you guys let me know, because you know, you're staring at me, you're looking at me, so let me know if I can get away with it. I don't know why it took me this long to try this type of tape, because I think this tape is amazeballs, you guys. It is holding on there pretty good. It didn't come off with the shadows, the concealer, nothing. It didn't come off, and with the lashes, with the big lashes, I think it hides it pretty good. So 2 thumbs up for me. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you find it interesting. I hope you find it helpful. Like I said, if you know somebody who could gain from this video, let them know, share it. So thank you guys for being here. Make sure you guys subscribe before you leave, be part of the crew, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.